We are here today to demonstrate the antenna alignment and pointing procedure using a 0.74 meter Prodlin antenna. This is what the DAPT will display when it is first put in line between the installer PC and the LNB of the radio. To advance to the antenna course pointing, you need to press the number 3 button. Here you will find the values that you will use to align the antenna. The left value is the highest recorded value and the right value is the current value. You want to increase until you have this thing maximized. As you can see, the values are at maximum for this antenna at this location. Once the antenna is coarsely adjusted and has got the maximum SQF available as seen in the DAPT, then we will move to the fine antenna alignment using the squinter tool. Once the coarse adjustments have been made, we will now do the fine antenna alignment, starting by installing the correct squinter tool for the antenna being pointed. Once the squinter has been installed, we'll want to adjust this to be able to do the azimuth first. Always ensure that the bubble is level prior to starting the process. With the squinter tool in place, we must first determine the left-hand azimuth value on the DAPT. Then we will rotate it to determine the right-hand value on the DAPT. These values must be within 5 points of each other. If an adjustment must be made because the values are out of range, simply come here and adjust azimuth until the values are within 5 points of each other. Once the azimuth adjustments have been made, we will want to make the elevation adjustments, starting with the up value first. Again, ensuring that the bubble is level when we're reading the DAPT value. So we go from azimuth to elevation upper, and we will record that value. Rotate to capture elevation lower. Again, always ensuring that the bubble is level. These values must be within 5 points of each other. And we see that the values are within range, so no adjustment is necessary. If the adjustment needs to be made to elevation, simply come here and make the adjustments until the values are within 5 points of each other. Once the azimuth and elevation process has been completed and the values are within 5 points of each other, remove the squinter tool and proceed to the validation process. Once the coarse and fine antenna pointing are completed, we must proceed to the validation process. Push button number 3, and it will capture the center values. As you can see, it is capturing these and storing them. Now we're going to do squint as 1. We will reinstall the squinter tool and do azimuth left. There is our azimuth left values. We will press the button. It will record. All right, now we have azimuth 2, so we will rotate the squinter tool now to do azimuth right. And we will record that value. Again, pushing button number 3. Now we do azimuth test pass indicated. Now we will do elevation. Number 3. Now we will adjust the squinter for elevation 1. which is upper. Once adjusted, we will press the button so the value is captured. Now we will do elevation 2. And once that's adjusted, we will capture that. Now elevation test is passed, and we will press the number 3 button, and we come up with center 2, and we will remove the squinter tool at this time, and we will see that our values right and left are within 3 points of each other. We're now recording the values. Okay, stored the results. Now we press the number 3 button. Store yes. Press the number 3 button. Pointing exit. Press the number 3 button, and we are done.